Hi again, it's Tim, your living sky guy from the Paris of the Prairies, beautiful Saskatoon. One of the things that keeps me coming back time and time again to the night sky is the very fact that it is itself timeless. When you tilt your gaze up and look at those countless dots of light above, you become a time traveler. The light from the galaxy next door to us, Andromeda, which can be seen with the naked eye, is already 2.5 million years old when we see it. Turn east one summer night and you'll see 3 bright stars, Altair, Vega, and Deneb, that form the summer triangle. In that casual glance, you're looking at light that started its journey towards you 16, 25, and 2600 years ago. Even our neighboring planet Venus, when you look at it, is already 6 minutes older. Adding to that timelessness, the stars that we're looking at have hardly changed since the first humans looked up and took notice of them. Long before recorded history, people have looked up and saw groups of stars and used them to relate stories of their beliefs, experiences, creation, mythology, and just to navigate over land and sea. These groups of stars are called constellations. The traditional 48 Western constellations first appeared in Greek writings over 2,300 years ago. In 1922, the International Astronomical Union formally accepted the 88 modern constellations that we have today. And aside from the constellations, there are other groups of stars out there known as asterisms. They're a pattern or group of stars that are usually more obviously seen than a full constellation. The Big Dipper, or the Plough as it's referred to in Britain, is probably the most recognized asterism. These 7 bright stars are just part of a constellation known as Ursa Major. The summer triangle I spoke of earlier is actually the 3 brightest stars of the constellations Aquila, Cygnus, and Lyra. In an earlier video, I shared a couple of books with you that help you get started in learning your way around the night sky. And today I want to give you another addition to your astronomy toolbox to help you find your way around. Today's planisphere, or star wheel, has its origins going back as far as 1,000 years ago. And it's a simple, low-tech way to find your way around the sky, the stars, and the major constellations. This version was created by the Royal Astronomical Society of Canada and the National Research Council of Canada, and is usually available at any of the public events that your local RASC centre holds. However, during the current COVID-19 restrictions, those events are on hold, but you can still access a free monochrome version of it at the RASC website. From there, you can download, print, and assemble one of these at home to help you with your nighttime adventures. And while you're downloading it, click on the link to the video that was produced by the RASC Halifax Centre. In this video, Andrea gives you easy to follow instructions on how to use that star wheel. Also available for purchase from the RASC online store is a more durable planisphere that will withstand decades of use in the field. There's even a version that reflects the sky as it is seen by Indigenous peoples. A star wheel is a portable, simple aid to help navigate your way around the sky. It's cheaper than a cell phone, needs no electricity, Wi-Fi, or data service, and when coupled with your red flashlight, it won't mess up your night vision while you're looking for the answer to that age-old question. What's that star over there? If you want to continue on this voyage of discovery with me, please click on the subscribe button. And you can also follow my personal exploits on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Just search for Living Sky Guy. Clear skies, everyone.